Hello, my little teacups. Oh, so thirsty. It is the end of the day. I actually got this, I think Saturday. And I've been dying to unbox it, but look, I didn't. I waited for y'all. I did get some add-ons. This is, I guess, the Spring 2020. This was an add-on, which I think it's lipstick, but we'll discuss that later. So I do now do the service of pick what's in my box. The last times I've been doing that, I actually love my box now. I don't think I ever cancel because you can't get a better deal than getting like 8 or 9 products for $43. I do like butterflies. Share to win FabFitFun. This actually is my favorite box, like the colors and everything. Ooh. So I picked the amber necklace, amber seats. And it's pretty. It's supposed to be like a 2. Yeah, I like necklaces like that. That's item number 1. Let me see how much it is. Okay. There should be a page that has all this stuff listed on there. Okay, it's usually on page 3. Okay. That one is right here. And it is 3A, and it says, y'all, this is what part of getting old does to you. I have to read what's on the paper now. 45. 45. Oh my Lord. It's time for my new subscription, oh my Lord. Okay. It says double coin necklace. This gorgeous double layered coin necklace features a, I can see better without them, detailed coin design on gold colored chains. It's $50. So remember, the box is like $49.95. This was $50. You've already bought this entire box. Okay, this is called C, and it is a tart. It's a drink of H2O. It's probably moisturizer. Let me see. Oh, I love tart stuff. Those colors are pretty. Let me see what we got here. Okay, this says 2D. Tart Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I love moisturizer. This is $39. 50, 39, we're already at $89, almost $90. That's 2. This is what I was most excited about. This is called Glow, a wrinkle treatment. I have not had Botox in more than a year. So, yeah, I'm one of those that does give you Botox. But I haven't had one over, this April will be 2 years. So this right here is, what it says is Revive Light Therapy, Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. Stimulate collagen and elastin with the multi-wave light device. This is $68. $68, $39, $50. This says Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polish Pill. I love pill stuff, so let me figure out what this is. Okay. That's cute. Alright, let's take it out. One of these days I will do a room tour, but we've still got to get crown molding in the tub, the floor is done, and it's going to be a long time before that gets done, like within the next year. That's cute. Look, it looks like a watermelon. That's cute. Okay, this is 60, well, no, it's 8B. And it says, watermelon energizing 2-minute polish pill. Infused with extract of watermelon and yellow. Watermelon and lychees and glycolic acid. This polish will give skin a burst of freshness. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to put on my bifocals. Aren't they pretty? Read this. Oh my God, that's so sad. I think sometimes whenever you have stuff going on in your body and it's not balanced. Anyway, this is $35. More plastic straws, but these are supposed to be bamboo, I think. That is so cute. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. Okay. This right here is 7A, and it says chic and tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case so you can slip your drink on the go. Oh. Okay. This again, $15. Deep sleep body cocoon. This is 6A. This says, this works deep sleep body cocoon. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxing while nourishing your skin. It smells like massage lotion to me. If I tried to read it, see, I mean, it's like I have to take a picture on my phone now and then blow up my phone. Okay, it says how to use, when to use while your skin sleeps, how a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter. Let's just read what it says here, 6A. $40 for this thing right here. This thing right here, and you bought the whole box. This Scandinavian. Now I can't see. It's made by Too Faced, so I was running out, so it was good that I got this. Okay, now I think we should have one more. I actually, is so funny, have this. And this is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair. You take a small amount and put it in your hair, apply through damp hair, and you don't rinse it out. I don't think, but I can't tell because the writing's so small. So I'm gonna put on my glasses again. Just tell everybody in the world how old you are. I'm 45 years old. And little kids, if you, little kids, anybody at any age, listen when they say take care of your eyes. Wear shades when you should be wearing shades. So that's everything in the box. What's left over in the box. So what I bought on, before the FabFitFun comes out to where you can actually pick what contents are in your box, you do an add-on. And what I added on was I am a lip, what do you call them? A lip, it's hot. I love lipstick, but it's always gotta be the right color. And also with your hair, when your hair turns a color, like I used to be blonde, or I'm blonde half my life, more than half my life. I can wear certain colors, lipsticks. I think blondes can wear a lot of colored lipsticks. Whenever I tried to wear some of the colors that I wore when I was blonde, oh, they're nasty. But this, I think, is a universal color. Let me see what color this is. Lip line called I'm Smoking Hot. That's cute. That's the color right there of the lip liner. Now, if I didn't have lipstick on, I would go ahead and show you, but put this on just a little bit before I left work. I love it when it's like that and it's really a gloss. Because you think it's a lipstick, but it's gloss. Well, you can see, so I guess it's only a gloss. I thought it was a lip color. Maybe why it didn't sell too well. Oh, it's Hydro Gloss. It's supposed to moisten your lips, I guess. So I got this, and back to the glasses. These are actually my husband's glasses, y'all. Okay. This is Vitamin C Mixed Crystals. Okay, it says mixed crystals, a few shakes with any of your favorite cosmetics products and apply to face. That's all the directions are. So let's see if it's open. Okay, so I guess it just, give me a second, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. I'm not scared. I've got black pants on, so I gotta be a little careful. So I don't know what it's supposed to do, because here and cosmetics, Pure C. Okay, it's just a powder. Oh, now. Anyway, so this is everything. Of course, we spent well over. I wish they might have something in the box that says well over everything worth. But I can pretty much tell it's over $200 like this. And again, I spent $49.95, but I do the year, and so the year is like $189 plus tax. So this is the stuff that you could have gotten. I'll just go ahead and show you. Oh, that's where they tell you. Okay, right here it says the total value of the box. $222 to $503. Now I'm looking on here and I'm like, oh, I wish I would have got that brush. I am happy with my box. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. I love the box, the butterflies, it's really pretty. But anyway, so thanks for joining me to do the FabFitFun. Thank you for joining me to do the unboxing of the FabFitFun. A lot of y'all have requested different videos, so in March I'm going to be doing like what's in my bag, get ready with me, get ready, unready with me. There's like 5 or 6 I've already put down that we're gonna do, and hopefully I'll get them done and out to you. I'm doing some challenges and everything else. So anyway, I love you. Thank you so much. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you are, thank you so much for joining me once again. I couldn't do this without you, and you know, everybody, that I love you and I'm very passionate about people and care about people. So if you could hit the notification, so whenever I do my videos and upload them, you'll be notified that I just released a new video. And if you could also hit the like button, that helps. And thank you so much. I love you. Bye.